Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is good, everybody? I am back home, back in Atlanta. Finally, I arrived like yesterday around like 8 o'clock, 8:30. First off, before the video even began, man, going back home to Cleveland was so amazing. Now, I haven't been back home in a while. Yes, that is where I'm born and raised. A lot of people think I'm an Atlanta YouTuber. No, not at all. I love Atlanta. It embraced me. Without Atlanta, I don't think I would have even been a YouTuber, because being a YouTuber is nothing I even thought about when I lived back home. But man, Cleveland, that is a very, very special city to me, and I'm super happy everybody showed out. Yo, SneakerCon Cleveland was lit. That was amazing. Honestly, not trying to be, you know, just say this just because that's my hometown. That is the best SneakerCon I've ever attended. That's no shot towards any other place. A lot of places showed me love, and a lot of places had great scenery, but when it comes to like the atmosphere inside the building, no SneakerCon matched that. It was absolutely amazing. So shout out to everybody who came through, everybody who showed love, man. I always appreciate it. Y'all know that. And more importantly, I'm happy y'all showed up, because a lot of people always got some bad stuff to say about Cleveland. I know it's not one of the most appealing cities, and I know it's not as much to do as other cities, but we do support, man. And after SneakerCon Cleveland, I don't really have to hear all the lip from the homies no more, bro. Like we cool with that. So while I was in SneakerCon Cleveland, I did pick up a pair of sneakers. I briefly showed it at the end of the video, and to be completely honest, I didn't really notice. I didn't show the sneaker off enough until like the end of the video. But before we get started with this video, I want to ask you guys, if that's not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. We are grinding, trying to hit 100,000 before the end of the year. Now the goal really is 25K by May. We almost at 20K. I really got to push to get 25K by May. It's possible, but I just got to come out with some bangers, and y'all just got to hit that like button. That's the thing, the like button. Now, my views have been doing great. The videos have been doing great. I'm talking about great. I love it. I appreciate it. But I might have a video with like 5,000 views and like 100 likes. So if y'all can just be more generous with that like button, I would definitely appreciate it. Hit the like button. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. 25K by May, 100K by the end of the year, man. We got goals to hit, so let's try to reach them together, man. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will link both of those down below in the description of the video. And more importantly, I'm running it through your screen right about now, so you see where it's at and what it looked like. I do giveaways on my story, and I get back at everybody who hits me in the DM. Lately, the DM been kind of bagged up, but trust me, I'm getting to them. I promise you, I'm getting to them. So like I said, in Cleveland, it was so much fun that I really didn't get to vlog my actual pickup. I was so busy vlogging everything else, so I took today to just dedicate this video to the sneaker that I picked up. So for the sneaker of SneakerCon Cleveland, it is, you see that, man, that human race box. So of course it is a pair of human races. I know a lot of y'all, or some people, probably didn't get to see that SneakerCon video, so this is a dope way for me to show it off. Now this pair is actually not size 12 game. This pair is actually size 11 and a half. I don't know, man. The human races kind of fit me right, but I just think that 11 and a half maybe fit me a little bit better. I wanted to try it out, and I knew it wouldn't hurt me. So the shoe is, without hesitation, man, this is the multicolor human race NMD. Now, this pair of sneakers is definitely dope. It came out with a pack just like all the other human race, and this one here was like honestly one of the best packs to drop. Now we can go back and forth about what was the best colorway, but I honestly think that this was one of the dopest that dropped out the pack. Now this pair is already where did it go? Yeah, I think this pair already had the legit tag on it. I'm not sure what y'all do with legit tags. Do you cut them off? Do you keep them on? Let me know how you rock your StockX pickups with the legit tag on or off. Now, man, human races, like the human races is honestly one of my favorite sneakers. Yes, I don't have too many. Like I got a lot of Yeezys. I got 2 pair of human races, not including these. This is gonna be my 3rd pair. The only reason why I don't have more is just because it's always something that takes my mind off of it. I'll be about to pick up a pair and something else will come out, and I kind of get sidetracked. Everybody know that the human race is kind of losing its value. When Pharrell first came out with the shoe, it was going absolutely crazy. Resale was going absolutely crazy. It was actually being resold more than the Yeezy. Now both are kind of dying because Adidas is kind of hitting that slump, and it's kind of going downhill. This pair of dead stock in my size is still going for about $330. I got an amazing deal. Not amazing, but I got a great deal, man. I did save some money. I only paid $280 for these, and like I said, that's a good price for me. Now, the only thing I wish I would have did, because my intentions, like the whole time, I was looking for a pair of human race NMDs. I just wish I would have got another color blocking. I did want this. I don't regret getting it. But since I do have, where are they? They somewhere behind here. Give me 1 second. They are right here. Okay, cool. So since I do have the Billionaire Boys Club BBC model, and as you can tell, it's like different colorway, but it's kind of like the same color blocking, the multicolor. I wish I would have just grabbed another pair that wasn't similar with the multicolor, so I can pull off different looks and, you know, rock different stuff with it. So here it is, man. The other pair of Human Race I have is this pair here. I actually wore this pair to Cleveland with me. So man, this is another dope wear I like, man. Out of all of the tie-dye colorways, I kind of like this one the most. So yes, man, huge fan of the NMD Human Races, man. I like these a lot. My only problem with these is, like, the only problem, like, at all, is it's kind of hard for me to, like, do much with the lace system. I feel like since there's no lace holes in the upper sock liner, you only get the lace like right here on the fencing area on the sides. It kind of limits you, but other than that, man, it pretty much is what it is. It's a solid fit. It feels good. It comes with the spare laces, so I don't regret buying these at all. I honestly just wish I would have got another color blocking. Now, I am still looking for a few pair of Human Races. The only pair that I really feel like I need, number one, I need the other pair of BBC Human Race. Those are super dope. I was this close to pulling the trigger in Cleveland, but that price though, I was not trying to pay that price. So this pair here is super dope. And last but not least, the pair that I'm looking for immediately is the black, white, and purple pair. Anyways, this pair right here, the black, white, and purple color blocking, that is the one I'm looking for. I like that one a lot. If any of you guys have that, please hit me up in the DM, 11.5, 12. Hit me in the DM as soon as you can. Let me know what you got going on, what you want for it, and we can talk chickens, you know what I mean? Now, with the Adidas stock going down, I plan on copping like a lot more Adidas, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm all about saving bread. As sneaker YouTubers, man, we kind of get, well, I'm not gonna speak for everybody. I know people kind of want you to get wrapped up in spending large quantities of cash and just spending money. Hey man, at the end of the day, we still regular people, we still got regular things to do, so I'm always out here looking for the best deals. Now, as you look on like Go app, or if you look on StockX, a lot of these Human Races, especially like the last few drops, they've been going like under retail. Now, I don't like all of them. The latest drop was definitely not one of my favorites. I did not like a lot of the colorways that they had coming out. But at the same time, it's still some out there that's fly. It's still some out there that look good. So right now, they kind of like hovering either by retail or a little bit under. And if anybody of you guys like these shoes, I would say definitely go for them right now, because it's a great chance you'll be able to get some deals, just because of the simple fact that people aren't valuing them no more. Adidas is kind of on that decline. Take advantage. Even the Yeezys, a lot of the Yeezys are close to retail, or not lower. None of them are lower, but they're pretty close. So if you want either or, I would say the time to go for them is like right now. But anyway, guys, those are my pickups for SneakerCon Cleveland, or my pickup. I only got one sneaker. I want to know, how do you feel about the Adidas Human Race? Is it dying? Is it dead? Do you own any? Please let me know down below in the comment section. Once again, guys, hit this like button, man. Let's try to get this thing moving. And last but not least, hit the subscribe button. 25K by May, 100K by the end of the year. I appreciate y'all as always. For the last and final time, SneakerCon Cleveland, thank y'all so much for showing the love. I appreciate it as always, man. And y'all know I cannot leave without saying, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this today. I am tired. Why would I really get like two of the same sneakers? Like, I know it's different, but they really like the same shoe. I should have got something different, man. I know I could have got something different. Snipe Squad, what it is, your boy Big Rex. No, I can't. I can't do it like that. No, not the intro. Not the intro. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Gotta get that voice ready real quick. Am I going to the gym today? I don't know. My God. How long has water been out? Bro, how long has water been out?